supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill like
Would have cared if I lived there and they want to hang out with me at the barbecue. They didn't care whether I owned it or whether I leased it. Nobody's ever asked me that. We just leased a yacht for 2 weeks. Nobody asked me if I owned it. I did own it for 2 weeks. Okay, so I took the equity out of this house and I went and bought these apartments. All the equity, took it, converted it to an apartment deal. Okay, that was about $12 million. That $12 million in 12 years grew to being worth $258 million. That's not my business. I did one thing. I made one decision. I convinced my wife, this is what we're going to do. We're going to sell this one location, trade it for multiple locations in a different place. They're going to pay us rent every month. I should have got checks today. Any of you guys invest with me here in the room? Did y'all get a check today?
Yes. Good morning.
Bang, bang. Every month. I send people money every month. How much was your check?
$500.
$500. How much was yours? $1,000, okay? So I'm going to go into my phone here. And let me see what mine were. I've just been investing longer. Like the more you invest and the longer you hold them, the bigger the checks get. So this is not my business, okay? This is not my main business where I go trade time for money. I'm not talking about my job, dishwasher, salesman, manager, executive, okay? I'm not running the company. For instance, the CEO of Coca-Cola, you got yours?
Yeah.
The CEO of Coca-Cola last year made $50 million. See, here's Jared, okay? So Jared got, here's a distribution. If y'all can see this on the phone, I don't think there's any private data here. Can you zoom in on it? Again, when people tell you, hey, I'm just sending distributions to my investors, show me, bruh. Show me the money. Like if they can't show, that's private. Okay, bro, if it's private, then keep it private. Why are you even talking to me? Keep it private. No, if people won't tell you, won't show you it, just run. Okay, here's a check for $1,900, one investment, another one for $3,378, another one for $1,510, another one for $1,500, another one for $500, another one for $885, another one for $3,500, another one for $2,000, another one for $1,000, another one for $1,070. So I don't know what the total was.
$18,300.
Yeah, I got one check this month for $58. People are like, $58, that's not money. Okay, if it's not money, give me your $58.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life.